when you come to these type of gatherings, then graze and take from the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Riyadh al-Salihin, right? We hear the book Riyadh al-Salihin, the garden of the righteous. Why did the Shaykh name it the garden of righteous? Because the believers, when they find the places in where Allah is remembered, they go to it, hastening themselves. Ayyuhal ikhwa, wallahi, just think about it. How much time do we waste in watching TV, on social media? There's some people that came prayed salah, as soon as they stepped out of the door, they're in conversation right now. They're outside having conversation. They're not doing anything khair. They're actually in laghwi, in things that are actually causing them to be on the day of Qiyamah questioned about. And they will leave a gathering in where Allah's name is being mentioned, right? Because we live in a time, it's the end of times. Awakhir al-sa'a, and this is the end of times. This is how you know an alama of the time is coming to an end, where you find that people don't want to sit in the gatherings of khair. They don't want to sit in the gatherings of khair. This is the end of time, that everyone is busy from remembering Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And I know that many of us, we're like, well, that's not, it's not the people here. I'm talking about the situation that we live in. Okay, let's say today there was an entertainer. Just to give you an example. If there was an entertainer today here, everyone would come here to listen to the entertainer. But when it's a sheikh or a scholar or a da'i that comes here to teach us their deen and to give us a reminder of the reality of life, and that Qiyamah will come and we will die from this world and we will have to be better Muslims, we're like, brother, wallahi, inshallah, maybe inshallah, when I'm closer to death, when I'm closer to death, I'll come more and listen to these lectures. Right now, I gotta make me some money. And that's how we talk. That's the reality. We don't say it, but we do it. Our actions speak louder than our words. So, for those people that attend these gatherings, they're fortunate. In itself, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving you the reward of you in salah right now. As long as you have wudu, you're sitting in the masjid waiting from one salah to the other, Allah is writing for you salah, as if you are in salah right now. And the angels are making dua, oh Allah forgive him, oh Allah forgive him. They're making dua for you. And at the end of this gathering, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends an angel. And the angel says, قُومُوا إِلَى مَغْفِرَةٍ مِّن رَبِّكُمْ, stand up and earn the forgiveness of your Lord. قَدْ بُدِّلَتْ سَيِّئَاتِكُمْ حَسَنَاتٍ, all of your bad deeds have been exchanged into good. Where do you find that?